Welcome to Eurelex Online Tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn what a SELEX number is and how to use it to find your documents easier and faster. The SELEX number is the unique identifier of each document in Eurelex. SELEX numbers are language independent. This means they do not change depending on the language of the document and can be used to find documents in all of our search options. Let's look at an example. The directive on the Common System of Value-Added Tax. The SELEX number of the directive is 32006L0112. The number 3 identifies this document as a Sector 3 secondary legislation document. Documents in Eurelex are categorized into 12 sectors: treaties, international agreements, legislation, and so on. A full overview of the document sectors can be found on our help pages. The following 4 digits tell us the year of the document, in this case 2006. This is followed by 1 or 2 letters identifying the type of document. The L in our example identifies the document as a directive. A full list of type of document characters can be found on our help pages. The remaining 4 digits are the number of the document. The number of the document in our example is 0112. Note that even though the number of our document is 112, we added another 0 in front. This will ensure that our search is successful. You can use the SELEX number in our quick search. Usually the search will only return the document you are looking for. But since this is a quick search, the search results list might also include documents that are related to the document you are looking for. However, the document corresponding to your SELEX number will always be on top. You can also use the SELEX number with our Find Results By box on the home page. This widget will find only the document with the corresponding SELEX number. If the document has been corrected, the search will also return Corrigenda issued for this document. This information is especially useful for linguists and translators. You can also use the SELEX number in our advanced search. The advanced search works the same way as the SELEX widget. Corrections of the document will also appear in the search results list. Let's change the sector from Sector 3 to Sector 0, Consolidated Acts. We now find the consolidated texts of the original document. The SELEX number remains the same, except for the first digit, which indicates the sector. In cases such as this one, the date of the entry into force of the latest amendment is also added after the SELEX number, because there is more than one version. Let's change the sector to number 7. Now we can find the national transposition measures of member states which implement the EU directive. In the document view, it is possible to go back to the directive we initially searched for. You can also see an overview of all national transposition measures in the National Transposition tab of our directive. Eurelex stores lots of different documents, so the structure of the SELEX number may vary slightly. For more information, go to our help pages. If you found this video useful, check out our other online tutorials.